Honey boo, my baby, fruity, fruity, yum, yum, open your tiny beak. Chum, 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 chum.
Mama, hey,
Oh, really? Then it must be magic!
my tiny, tiny beak is allergic to red color.
Oh no, don't wait. But yesterday you ate 10 berries!
No, not today.